everyone, today I have Ipsy and Sephora for October. I don't think I did this last month, but this month I wanted to do it again. I just bought something from IKEA, so it's sitting over there. That's how you see the box. But other than that, my dog has also decided to chew on her toy. But I figure we'll start with Sephora this month because I don't think I often start with Sephora. But I would love to see what's in it. Ooh, my Play Pass has a pumpkin. That's always fun. Can't wait to use it. And last month I could use my Play Pass online, which was awesome. I don't know if I showed my bag though, but I really like using it online. I felt like it saved me a lot of time, especially since I don't always want to bring my child to the store. Ooh, the first thing is a perfume. Perfumes are not always my favorite samples, but I do want to smell this one. It's YSL Mon Paris. I don't know. I guess that would stand for My Paris. Doesn't smell bad, but doesn't smell... It smells fruitier than I thought it would. It's actually not too bad when it dries down. It might be one of those smells that could kind of give me a headache though. I'm really sensitive to perfume. And there's another paper thing. Oh, it's not. It is a Gen Nude Bare Minerals Patent Lip Lacquer in the shade Everything. I really like this cardboard thing. Oh, I love the color. It's like a pink. And it is in the shade Everything. I really love Bare Minerals like lip products. So I think that this, oh, it's thick. And it's a really good fall sort of pinky nudie mauve-y color. I think that's gonna be really pretty and I'm gonna like it because it's not like a matte. I don't mind some mattes, but I feel like right now I'm wearing a liquid lipstick and I feel like my lips are so dry and I hate the feeling. So I've been sick of liquid lipsticks, but this one looks really good. And this is a Clinique eyeliner pen. Really fun. And it's in the shade Black. And I love liquid eyeliner and this looks like a pretty big sample. It's got a nice little line maker. We can paint a line down my hand. Oh, it looks like it'll be nice. Makes a really black line. Looks like it'll be easy to use. I love liquid eyeliner. And I love that I've been getting them in these boxes so I can save myself some time from not buying them, honestly. It's just I keep using whatever samples I get, and I have been for a while and I have not run out and had to buy a liquid eyeliner because I've had so many samples. It's hilarious. I dropped something. Fresh Rose Face Mask. Looks like a good little size. I hate rose. The scent, not to look at. I just hate the scent, rose scented things. It's just not for me. But this might actually be really good. It says it's infused with real rose petals, hydrates, and tones. And I definitely love to hydrate my face because it gets dry. It does have a rose scent, but it doesn't seem like it's the worst rose scent. So I will try this. Hopefully I can get past the smell and it doesn't like linger. Then I have a Tarte Quench Hydrating Primer. So that's exciting. I've never even heard of this product before, but I'm really excited about that. Then the last thing in here is the Caudalie Vinyl Perfection Serum. And I haven't used the serum in a while, so I'm excited to try a new serum. So this is my Ipsy this month and I really like the bag. It's got like a mask. It's cute. The funny thing is I got another Buxom lip product. Well, it's Bare Minerals, but this one is Buxom. The other one wasn't. And this is Buxom in the shade Dolly, which I've had before. And it's like a mauve color, but it's a lip plumper. But I really like this color. It's a little bit sheerer than the other one, but it is a lovely color and it looks good on, I would imagine, everybody. So I'm happy to have another one of these for my purse. Then I got the Yensa Tone Up Primer in Essential Glow. So that sounds interesting, like a glowing primer. I'll try it. I've never heard of this brand. We received a Murad Cleansing Cleanser in vitamin C, or it says Essential C Cleanser, so I'm assuming it has some vitamin C, so that'll be nice to try out. I like that it's a really big sample and it has an environmental shield, so maybe that will help block bad things from getting on my face. There's a brush, which I really can't hate on getting a brush. It says it's a glow brush, so it's like a little tapered highlighter brush, I think. It looks like it would be good for that. And I like it, and it's by the brand Royal and Langnickel, I believe, and it's a Moda Pro. It's got a bumpy handle. It feels soft. I think I'm gonna like this. And a Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. Double Duty Beauty, it says. And I got the color I don't know what color it is. It looks like light, I would imagine. Light sand. So it looks like it'll be a pretty good match. It's next to the eyeliner. Looks like it'll be a good match for my under eyes. I don't like to make them too lighter than my skin because my skin's pretty light. And right now it's kind of dull outside, so my light is kind of washing me out. So I'm not super, super pale like this, but I am fair. But I loved everything in both bags this month. I liked the concealer and the lip gloss and the brush in Ipsy, and I liked the lip gloss, the eyeliner, and the mask in my Sephora. So I'm gonna say this month was pretty much a tie for me. I like both boxes pretty much the same. And I hope that you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys later.